Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my eyeshadow. Okay, so first I put like a towel or anything like on my shirt because I don't want, as you can see right here, I don't want it to actually any fall out or anything to get on my shirt. So the master concealer right here is in 50 deep to medium to deep. And then I'm going to also use the Maybelline 24K Nude. Okay, so right now I'm just going to do my concealer. I'm just going to use like a brush. This is a random brush. It's like a flat brush right here. So I'm going to use that to blend it, but I'm going to just use my finger to put it on my eyelids. So if it'll focus right there, that's all you need, just a little. So I'm just gonna put it on the eyelid. Like, I did put a little too much, but that's fine. It's enough actually to put on the other lid, and it's okay if it gets messy because you're gonna blend it out anyways. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the flat brush here. It's really like a liner brush, but I'm gonna use it for this. So you blend this out to your coverage, how you want it. I know everybody like, oh, like it kind of makes you look like a clown, but trust me, it's worth it in the end because you're gonna be like, okay, this is good. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit on here. Okay, and I'm gonna take it. It's actually a little too much. I'm gonna take it and put like right here on my eye, over my eyelid brows. Like, I haven't got my eyebrows done, so they actually need to be shaped and done. I have very pointy eyebrows. Okay, guys, so that's that. Let's see if this might be a little too bright. Let's try that. Let's try this. I think that's a little better. Okay, so now we have that. I don't know why my light is kind of like not really focusing on anything, but yeah, so that's that. Okay, now I actually let my concealer set. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my crease brush. This is actually a crease brush. So I'm gonna take that and I'm going to use this. As you can see, I use it so much, but that's the one I'm gonna use. So, well, actually, first for my crease, I'm gonna just use a brown, and let's just say I'm gonna use well, let me see. I'm gonna use this light brown right here for my first set or first layer. So what you want to do, you want to tap that. Okay, I'm gonna go right here in like this here. This does have like a little sheer to it, so it may not, you know, I'm trying to get this lighting right, you guys, because I will show my setup in a few, but it's not working. It's like it's not focusing. I'm actually using my phone. I need to actually give me a camera. Like, I've been saying it for a minute now, and I really do need to get the camera. So what you want to do is go right here, like that. I'm just blending it in right there. So as you, it's not, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's like right here, right there. Hopefully you can see just a little bit of it. Okay, now I'm going to do it to the other side. Okay. So now that I got like the first base on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blender brush. So this is the blending brush. Well, actually, I'm just going to take the same brush. I'm going to take the same creasing brush, and I'm going to go with these dark purple right here. Right there. And I'm going to go back into like the crease part. So I'm going to start in the end and work in. Start from the out and work in. And you kind of want to look up so that way it's kind of get into that crease. Like, I dig into this patio, like for real. Like, why I start right here and work in like this, like slowly, because I want that little in-depth definition. I want that in-depth information, like information, depth right here, right there in that piece, to kind of like give it some definition, define my eye. So I don't know if like you guys can see it. It's just this lighting is not perfect at all. Let's see. Let's try that. Okay. This is, I promise you guys I'm gonna get a better lighting and a camera, because this is just not working. Like, it's not showing up so good. So I'm going right here again into this eye, go just like that. Hopefully you can see like it's getting intense right there. So now I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Start right here, work in. But get more right here and work in. Okay? So it has that like maroon kind of feel to it. Okay? So yeah. Now I can do with a liner or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is, let me see, do I even have my liner? You guys, I don't even think I have my liner. I must have forgot, but we're gonna figure this out, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, dang it, I really needed that black liner. Oh. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to do it out the liner today. Like, this is so ratchet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this vintage, if you can see it right there, vintage, it's like a lip liner, right? It's gonna work either way, it goes automatic. So I'm gonna take it and put it like right there at that part, like where my line is supposed to be, because I forgot my liner. Like, this may not even show up, I'm not sure. Let's just see how this works. So I'm going like right here. actually, I feel like this would be a good. It's not perfect, but I feel like it would be good. So I'm going to do the same with the other eye. I feel like this kind of worked out a little bit because it's actually blending in with the eye color. Even though it's not supposed to be on here like that, it actually kind of works out. Let me see if I can show you if it'll focus. See, like right there, it's a little light, but it kind of works out a little bit. I hate this lighting. Yeah, so okay, so like that is actually my finished eye. And then I'll go in and actually put like right here. So just remember like what I really used. I used the Maybelline 24K Nude, and I only used this brown, which is a sheer, and then this purple, and then I created my look. So yeah, it's like a nude look. Let me see if I take this light off so you can see. It looks a little better. You can kind of see it. It's not that dark on camera, but yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and look forward to my next video, which will actually be the how I do my foundation and contour. So talk to you guys later. See you later. Make sure to subscribe and ain't there something? Subscribe. Okay, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video and comment down below, but make sure to click the subscribe button. Okay, bye guys.